So what I like to do while the stove is still off, I will add my oil. I already added this adobo. I know you guys canceled Goya, but I have half a bottle left and I'm gonna finish it. Then I will add this cumin. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I only add a little bit because I just started incorporating this into my meals. Then I'll add garlic powder. I'll add onion powder. Do what I do and does what I does. And then I will add black pepper. When it's time for me, I'll add some sazon. Then I'll go ahead and add some red peppers. I usually also add green, but I didn't realize I don't have any right now, so red peppers will do. So at this point, I have the stove on 6, so as you can see, everything's sizzling already. I'm gonna pour my beans in here. I add a spoonful of tomato paste. This you can try to break it down as much as you can, but you don't really have to worry about it because the heat will do that for you. And then I add 1 cube of chicken bouillon. Don't put the stove as high as it can go because as you can see, this pot is really small. Then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. I do a 1-to-1 ratio when I'm adding beans to the rice because as you can see when I poured the beans in, it comes with the water or whatever you want to call it, the bean stock, I don't know. But it comes with that, so it has a little bit more liquid in here. So what I'm gonna do is add 2 cups of rice as well. I'm gonna go wash that and add it once this starts boiling. So it's already boiling. Already washed my rice. I'm gonna pour this in here. This is how you know if your water to rice ratio is on point. This is what my grandmother taught me. I don't know if you guys do this, but this is how I know. I like to add oregano now because I feel like when you're sauteing everything in the beginning, this oregano is easy to burn. I kind of need the ground one, but this is all I have for now, so that's how I add it. So as you guys can see, the rice is dried up a little bit, and what I'm gonna do is turn it like this. Make sure you're mixing in everything. Oh, it's alright if a little pepper flies out, you guys. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. I'm gonna lower it. I put it all the way down to low and not on 1 because, like I said, this pot is small and I feel like it gets super hot. So I'm just gonna mix it one more time. And then I'm gonna add my cilantro. I'm just gonna put it at the top like this, and then I'm gonna cover the rice. So yeah, I had it boiling for like about 10 minutes, so that took like maybe like 7 to 10 minutes to dry up because, like I said, it's a small pot, so it gets really hot. And now it should take about 15 to 20 more minutes to be completely done. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and it smells delicious. So what I'm gonna do is try to take this out and put it to the side. And what I'm gonna do is turn it again. This is super hard. I feel like I made too much rice for a little pot, but I always do this to myself. There you guys have it. This is how I make my rice. I'm not gonna have any meat on the side because I'm currently trying to lay off the meat, so I'm just gonna add some meatless strips and avocado as my side.